Going on to question 2 now. This is another vocab question. And for these, you want to invent your own word to fill the space before you look at the answer choices. So let's go ahead and start reading and see what word we would invent when reading this. So, to demonstrate that the integrity of these metal pipes can be assessed without unearthing the pipes, in other words, without digging them up, these engineers blanked the tendency of some metals' internal magnetic fields to alter under stress. They showed that such alterations can be measured from a distance and can reveal concentrations of stress in the pipes. So, what clues are we seeing here? To demonstrate something, they used the tendency of the metal's magnetic fields to alter under stress. So, to demonstrate something, they use the tendency of the metals to alter. And then it further explains the team showed that these alterations can be measured from a distance and reveal certain concentration. So, to not have to go through all the trouble of unearthing the pipes, of digging them up, the team used some other scientific principle. So let's see which word matches with used. So hypothesize is to come up with a theory for how something works or why something is. Discounted is to offer something cheaper or to underestimate the value of someone or something. So someone can discount another person's skills at a game or sport until they find out that yes, the person actually does have those skills. But that doesn't fit. We're looking for using something. Redefining is obvious. That means giving something a brand new definition. And exploited is really interesting because it actually does work. You can exploit some ability or some supply that you had saved up somewhere in order to accomplish some goal at some point. But what's interesting about this is that there are a handful of words that in today's society have a negative connotation. So the ultimate word like that is consequence. So your parents might say, if you do this, there would be consequences. But in a dictionary sense, a consequence is not necessarily a bad thing. And also the word exploited, that has a terrible tendency in today's society. But in some strategic manner in a dictionary sense, you might exploit the availability of some opportunity to be able to get something else to happen. So it doesn't necessarily have the same negative connotation in a dictionary that it does in this year in our society. So the answer here is D.